Now it's time for Ali to learn how to respond to his friends' opinions effectively. In this video, we'll cover how to respond to opinions and express agreement, partial agreement, or disagreement effectively. Let's begin. Why responding to opinions matters. A good discussion is more than just stating facts. It's about building on others' ideas and keeping the conversation flowing. By responding effectively, you can show active participation, acknowledge different viewpoints, strengthen your arguments with supporting details. Firstly, let's look at how to express agreement. When agreeing with someone's opinion, it's important to add value rather than just saying, "I agree." Supporting your agreement with reasons or examples strengthens the discussion. For example, if someone says solar energy is cost-effective in the long run, you can respond with, "I completely agree." In addition, many governments provide incentives for solar panel installation, which makes it even more affordable for homeowners. Here are some useful phrases for expressing agreement. "That's a good point. I'd also add that," "You're right," and another factor to consider is. Next, we need to know how to express disagreement. Disagreeing doesn't mean arguing. It's about expressing a different perspective while respecting others' views. The key to polite disagreement is acknowledging the other person's point before sharing your perspective. For example, if someone says wind energy is the best source of renewable energy, you could respond, "I see what you mean, but I believe solar energy is more practical because it requires less maintenance and can be installed in more locations." Here are some phrases for expressing disagreement politely. "I see what you mean, but I feel..." That's a valid point, but have you considered? Lastly, it is important to know how to express partial agreement too. Sometimes, you may agree with part of an idea but not all of it. This is called partial agreement. It allows you to recognize valid points while still offering a different perspective. For instance, if someone says renewable energy should completely replace fossil fuels, you might respond, "I agree that renewable energy is essential for sustainability, but I think a complete transition will take time due to infrastructure challenges." Here are useful phrases for partial agreement. "I agree to some extent, but I see where you're coming from, though I'd argue that..." Therefore, to have a meaningful discussion, remember: 1. Express agreement by supporting and adding ideas. 2. Express disagreement politely by acknowledging other views first. 3. Express partial agreement when you agree with some parts but not others. In the next video, we'll explore how to ask for and give clarification and how to check understanding. See you there.